Maayong adlaw, Bohol. Gideklara ni Gobernador Artiap ang Bohol ubos sa community quarantine. Kini base sa Executive Order numero 8 nga iyang gilagdaan. Atong paminawon si Govyap alang sa mga detalye.
I'm declaring a community quarantine of the island of Bohol within 48 hours of the signing of my executive order this morning. It will be at midnight of Monday up to Friday. So midnight of Monday, the 16th, we will be under community quarantine for 5 days to help us to prepare. At the time of the community quarantine, all who wish to leave the island will be allowed to. But for that period, we will not be accepting any travelers or visitors to Bohol to give us time to seriously prepare and work together to meet this challenge. After that period, we will evaluate should we need to order another community quarantine or not. For now, the community quarantine will be lifted by Friday. But if sa atong dry run, kulang pa, kinahanglan pa na ma-extend pa nato, dugangan pa nato ang period, we will do it at the appropriate time. I want you all to understand that ang akong buhaton sa inyong kinabuhi sa karong panahona, dili ra isip usa ka gobernador ninyo. I am acting this morning isip amahan ninyong tanan. I am very concerned with all of you. As a father of the province, I want all of you to be saved from this affliction. But if it cannot be done, then at least obligasyon nako as gobernador na andam ang atong mga ahensya ug ang tanan-tanan na atay klarong direksyon how to meet this problem and how to take care of each other. I am willing to be laughed at. I am willing to be criticized. This is the burden that I, as governor, will have to take. But I would rather be criticized and laughed at rather than be accused later on of not having done everything I could have done for you. I can only do this with this community quarantine next week to begin and assess the readiness of our province. Mao nga, kinahanglan nako ang inyong suporta, ang inyong mga ampo. I pray for all of you that God will bless you and protect you, that God will save Bohol, and most of all, that God will protect and save our country, the Philippines. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan.